Good afternoon. This is Victoria Berry presenting this week's lab presentation regarding the lymphatic system. As an overview, the lymphatic system is a series of vessels, structures, and organs that collect a fluid called lymph throughout the body and return it to the main circulatory system. This lymph fluid is similar to the plasma portion of the blood, but without the larger proteins. For today's diagrams, I'm going to be referring to a text called the Anatomy Coloring Book, 4th edition, which is published by the Princeton Review. Our first organ of the lymphatic system today is the thymus gland, which is located at the upper portion of the heart and behind the sternum. In babies and young children, the thymus is very prominent in size. It does shrink as we age, and it is of great importance in the immune system for the production of T cells. The next structure in the lymphatic system, and I have it colored in green in this diagram, is the spleen, which is near the stomach and the pancreas on the left side of the body. It is the largest lymphatic structure in the body. On average, it is approximately 5 inches in length. I do have an enlargement which shows more details about the vasculature of the spleen itself. The spleen is served by the splenic artery and the splenic vein. The spleen contains B lymphocytes and also T lymphocytes, which are very essential components of our immune system. It recycles old red blood cells and platelets, and white blood cells are stored there as well. And it is believed that the spleen fights bacteria that cause both pneumonia and meningitis. Now, the next portion of the immune system of our lymph, I do not have a diagram for, but this consists of the tonsils, which are located inside both sides of the neck, very prominent in the developing immune system of children. They protect against respiratory and gastrointestinal infections. Next, we come to the appendix, which is an older evolutionary structure. It is located in the right lower quadrant of the abdomen. It is not really completely understood, but it believes that it may serve as a storage area for beneficial intestinal flora. Peyer's patches are also within the small intestine. They are masses of lymphatic tissue that are found throughout the ileum region of the small intestine. And they form an important part of the immune system by preventing and intercepting pathogens within the intestinal system. Then we come to the lymph nodes that are draining the head and neck region. And I do have a diagram that shows along the side area of the neck here, the cervical lymph nodes. These deliver lymphocytes throughout the body, and they drain fluid coming from the neck area. Next, we come to the axillary lymph nodes, which are located underneath the arm and also coming down the shoulder area. They perform the function of filtration of lymph from the upper limbs, pectoral region, and also the upper back. And I thank you for the opportunity to present this video presentation. As an overview, lymph is a one-way direction of this fluid essential to our immune system, to place it back into our circulation, and also so that we do not get a buildup of fluid, which is a condition known as lymphedema. Thank you.